Welcome
Yes,
everyone to La Voz Amiga del Ecosistema, which means the friendly voice of the ecosystem.
correct. Thank you very much to be here and to give us the opportunity to share any, we can say, no story because it's, well, we can set a life for any animal we can talk today.
Okay, so we are the
Mhm.
translators of the voice of the ecosystem.
Yes, the friendly voice of the ecosystem. Thank you very much to be here.
Okay, so Evelia doesn't know um, our friend that we're going to contact
No,
today. So, Evelia, get comfortable
thank
and
you.
let's get started. Let's embark in this new adventure.
Yes.
Take a nice deep breath and relax. The deeper you breathe, the deeper you are relaxed. 3. Start connecting with the etheric world, the unseen world. 2. Amplify all your senses. Breathe in and out. Remove any physical tension in your body. 1. Evelia, when you're ready, connect with Richard, a male dog. His species is a Jack Russell mixed with a toy fox. Connect with Richard, a male dog. His breed is Jack Russell and toy fox. Tell me how you see him and perceive him.
Yes, I'm next to him. I'm
Touch him.
touching,
Yes, verify that it is him through DNA.
and that's correct. That's him, and that's first species, and he's very anxious
Ask him why.
because he said because I never nobody had the time to give me the interview to me. I feel like I'm some kind of artist waiting for her interview.
An artist. Okay.
Yes.
I'm sorry for the long wait, but we have other species, on a waiting list as well. Thank you for being patient.
Uh, Thank you to you guys to really give me the opportunity to have a little talk today.
Okay, so now tell us about yourself.
Well, I can say that I'm very nervous,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm very always like anxious for
Mm-hmm.
everything. I'm kind of scared either for almost everything, but that's my species. That's how I was made.
Okay.
And either I'm very nosy and I always get in trouble for almost everything.
Okay.
That's how I am. But we can say I'm happy.
Okay.
Sometimes I feel lonely, and sometimes I feel like very passionate, but in the same way I feel very like I wanted to be almost in everything, very curious.
Mm-hmm.
But That's because the way my genetic is made.
Now that you mentioned that, tell us about your genetics.
Oh, wow. That's something very not not good because it's all mixed and they make my body my regular body is not a small body. It's like medium sized body.
Hmm.
We're gonna set maybe between um 10 pounds to maybe 6,
Hmm.
but not to be 5 to 1.
Mm.
So it's very well. I'm gonna say that's not good for me. It's not good for any animal.
Hmm.
The work or the change the DNA because we have a lot of complications and as time alive or between them. It's like they chart my life and they give me different um, symptoms.
Hmm.
I don't know see you guys can understand my point.
Okay, so let me just clarify that by humans mixing the races or the breeds, um, genetically, your body is modified.
Correct,
Okay, so you acquire other symptoms from the other species that you generally don't have.
correct.
Mhm.
Yes, because like this mix I have like fox, you know the fox, how they are. They are nosy, they are always running, uh, either her legs, they're different type of legs, kind of strong legs, because physical, they has to do a lot. But when you are tiny animal that you stay in home, how
Mm.
you supposed to be using that? I know I'm running and playing, but it's not the same run. My legs is made to run miles,
Mm.
not to run between my door and that little corner. Back and forth. No. It's not like be jumping to the bed, jumping to the couch, or sitting there or sitting there. No. That's why that's why the human need to understand when you guys mix sun is different genetic to one to the another one, you guys has to have a complement. Why you guys mixed in that? Either I can say I have some pains
Mhm.
in my body because this pain is because I'm not moving that much when
Okay.
when my body is supposed to be moving. It's made to move because why my genetic it was changed. But when you leave the genetic and the same level, nothing. We're not having that much problems. We only have the regular problems that as genetic they're supposed to have. But when you guys add 2 or 3 different ones, that's when all the problems start.
Okay. And talking about these problems, like you call them, we humans call them like arthritis,
Yes.
muscle and body
Muscle and
aches.
body age, yes.
Hmm.
Very heavy
Do you
and,
sometimes
and
feel?
very uncomfortable and believe me, sometimes I feel like I want to eat myself because it's so heavy
Wow.
and nothing help me. Nothing. Why? Because uh, how you supposed to help something that you not even know what is causing that?
Okay, well, today we can find the origin and the cause of that.
That's my genetic.
Okay. Do you sometimes feel like with low energy or lethargic?
Yes, because like I said, my regular species is to be slow, but the fox mix and made me
Mm,
all that confusing because I wanted to be running and the same way I want to be like stay calm. So
hmm.
it's hard sometimes.
Okay. Are you ready today to transform that and liberate yourself from these contracts or agreement or stipulations?
You want to know a secret?
What?
I'm ready since the day I knew that we're gonna have this conversation.
Okay, let's go. Take us there now. Evelia, describe to me what you see. Where are we?
Look like we are in the place where they do the where they working on the DNA
Hmm.
con different species.
Is that a lab?
It look like a lab, but it's like more um it's not like a regular lab.
Describe to me the place.
It's
Where is
it's
it?
it's very different and it's not in the earth.
It's not on Earth.
No.
Where is it?
It said we are on the five five portal. It look like when the earth is here, we are one, two, three, four, five.
Like a five dimension of a
Five
fifth
dimensions
portal?
and but they call four five portal.
Portal?
Yes.
Okay.
It said the five portal
Hmm.
it look the same like you on the earth, but you not. It's like we here and we are in the lab right here. Is where they do all kind of different
Hmm.
DNAs. They work on the DNA between humans and animals
Okay.
and even plants. But we are in the animals section.
Okay. So in that same facility or let's say portal, so there's a lot going on there. Modifying
Yes,
humans, plants, and animals.
yes, but on
Hmm.
different levels. It's like we here and then another level on top and top, and that depends what you looking for. We are on the level for the animals,
Okay.
some animals, because no all the animals they're on the same.
Okay. So tell us about where you're at now. What pertains to you?
The area where all the mini animals they're working on the DNA to they said to do the new generations
Hmm.
animals.
Okay.
They can make animals this big, bigger, only to 10 pounds, but they can be 1 gram
Wow. From 1 gram to
to
10
10.
pounds.
Yes,
Okay.
we here and he's looking specific for her species.
Hmm.
We find it
Hmm.
and you can see it's like these little cups uh, and he's getting one of the cups that we have it there.
Hmm.
He's grabbing that and he said that's her. He said this is mine because right here I have my soul, part of myself is right here. That
Okay, so mhm,
I need this to be free
mhm,
so we can work together and get strong. That way I can change any disease or any lifetime, any problems,
mhm,
either problems con my digestion, con my arthritis,
mhm.
my muscle, and my skin.
Okay.
And either for my system nervous.
Oh, the nervous system as well. Okay.
Yes. So what I see, Anna, is like, oh, this is RNA, DNA is like, he said, we cannot change the DNA,
Mhm.
but we can do it strong.
Make it stronger.
We can reinforce my DNA,
Mhm,
um, adding the new information
mhm,
that I'm taking away for my body. My body is in earth,
mhm,
making the difference between my soul, my spirit,
mhm.
to my new body. I'm sorry, but this is part of my taking off this. This is like when you breathe some like something is not good for you, like we're gonna say like pollen.
Mhm.
When you breathe some pollen, you have something in your lungs. So right now I'm taking away from that, from my
Okay. You're
lungs,
cleaning your lungs. Okay.
cleaning my lungs and cleaning my system, my system, gets my very good system now in my nervous,
Mhm,
either my muscles,
mhm.
and I'm gonna work my digestion.
What's going on with your digestion? You keep mentioning it.
Yes, I be having some problems to process what I'm eating.
Mhm,
And this has to do because my genetic, it was more like fox in my stomach.
mhm,
And I supposed to be eating more raw meat,
mhm.
and I'm eating a lot of like dry food.
Mm.
So right now I'm working in this area so I can put a balance.
Okay. Evelia, describe to me what you see.
Yeah, Anna, what he's doing, he's
Mhm,
cleaning all her system. He's like cleaning everything inside her hold on, it's all her stomach. But not only, yes, he's still working in that. He said because sometimes uh that species can have some cancer on it.
okay.
So he said I'm making sure that everything is right and clean so
Mhm.
I don't get this disease.
Okay.
But I see him, he's finished doing that,
Mhm.
and now he's going back home.
Well, before we leave that space we were at, let's all clean, leave whatever information doesn't belong to us.
Oh, he said, yeah, I'm so sorry. I was so excited to go back home. now happy and good that I forget to do that.
Okay, so let's not leave any trace that neither of us has been there today. No information belonging to any of us, any residual energy. So let's clean, release, close that portal, and come back to 2022, to the present moment. Now.
Yeah. Yeah, we
Okay.
are in her house now,
Mm-hmm.
and he's cleaning inside and the
Mm-hmm.
couches
Mm-hmm.
and making sure that everything is how he said, and making sure that everything is how supposed to be now,
Okay.
clean and and peace, no
Oh,
anxious, no nervous, not to be nosy too much, and happiness.
okay. Is there anything he would like to tell his owner?
Yes, I like to say thank you and I love you so much, and to tell you that I'm so happy to be with you guys and to enjoy. And I'm sorry, see, I will not feeling well these times, but it's part of what I used to have it before. Now everything is gonna be very different.
Very well. Thank you so much for the opportunity to speak to you today and to translate your story to the human world. Is there anything you would like to tell the human species about you?
Yes, I will tell them that we are very, very unique species, but please stop making us small. No more small than what we supposed to be are as regular size, because this is when everything start.
Okay, very well. Thank you so much. Evelia, disconnect from Richard, from everything and anything we have encountered
Vida.
today. Okay, so everyone, please share this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Tell us anything that, any comments that you want to leave behind, any other species that you would like to hear about. Tell us, please.
Yes, thank you. We see
See
you
you
soon.
soon. Okay, see you next time.